I'm Kashif. I'm living in Turkey for 10 years. Alhamdulillah. And it's some people living 18 years in this condition, which the government have put us here and with the hope of giving us houses, which this property belongs to the airport, AXA. So they are busy with houses for our people. We're gonna be finished that project by 2028, inshallah. But the many challenges that we have in this place, besides the in winter, you see it's a tin shack, 3 by 6, and in that condition in winter it's ice cold. In summer it's very very hot, and many of those people they survive by they call the word scuttling, meaning they go out and cycle in the morning. It's 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. They go out in search of livelihood. When they come back 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, so then they change that by the scrap dealer, and that's how they survive. And many of them are pensioners and getting the social grant of the government. And that's only one challenge. And then the other challenge we have, especially the Muslims, where they have a challenge by whereby many of the young boys they're not circumcised. Many of them are 10, 15. So from 2 to 3 years, till 10 years, 15 years upwards, they're not circumcised. And according to Muslim, it's Farul Kifaya. So we have a hope and a reliance on the Ummah to assist our people, inshallah. So may Allah SWT make it easy for us, inshallah ta'ala, that Allah SWT put this forward to the Ummah.